Unit 4 Mixed Review number 12. A case of Gatorade contains 27 and 38 thousandths liters. How is this number written in decimal expanded notation? So first of all, it's really hard to go from word form, which is what they gave us, to expanded notation. It's best to, in between, do a little standard form. So first thing I'm going to do is write this number in standard form. So taking it in pieces, we have 27. 27 you would write as 2, 7, 27. Then we have and. For and, we put a decimal in the number. Then 38 thousandths. Now that word thousandths is important because it tells us that this number goes out 3 places. And I need those 3 places when I read it to say 38. And you might think to put 380, but that reads as 380. I need it to read as 38. And so it should be 038. Now that reads as 38 and it ends in the thousandths place. Okay, so now it's all about seeing each digit and what place it's in. So if I label my places, the 7 is in the ones, the 2 is in the tens, the 0 is in the tenths, the 3 is in the hundredths, and the 8 is in the thousandths. And so 2 first. The 2 is in the tens place. And so answer choice A shows 2 in the tens place. B, C, D. They all look good. Then taking a look at the 7. The 7 is in the ones place. A shows 7 times 1. B, 7 times 1. C says 7 times 10. That would mean the 7's in the tens place. That's not where the 7 is, so C is out. D looks good. All right, now we skip over the 0 because it has no value, and we go to the 3. The 3 is in the hundredths place, but it might be easier to look at how it would look if I put a 1 in that same place as the 3 and turn everything else to a 0. So I would get 0.01. That 1 is in that same hundredths place with the 3. So if you look at answer choice A, that's showing that the 3 is right after the decimal. That's not where the 3 is, so A is out. B looks good. We're 2 places in the hundredths place. Looks good. D has it in the tenths place right after the decimal. That is not correct, so D is out. So finishing up with B, just to check that last one, we've got an 8 in the thousandths place. Again, we want the 1 to be right there where that 8 is. And so we're looking for 0.001, and that is exactly what we get in answer choice B. And so correct answer is B.